to the Drawing Express. So today we are watching how to create the Uyir Mei Ezhuthukal with the O blends. Okay, so we are going to blend the O letter with the Mei Ezhuthukal. For this, the Mathirai for O is going to be like this. Okay, you have to add both of them in the letter you're making. So for example, if you want to make a letter to sound ko, you will put this phone symbol. Then which letter will have ko varisai? Kaka, kiki, kuku, keke, koko, right? So ka. So you have to put the phone, you have to put the ka, and you have to put the kal. So this makes it ko. You got it? So next, what we want is ngo, means you have to put the phone, you have to put nga, and then we have to put the kal. So I hope you understood. So now let's read the words. Okay. Ko, ngo, cho, nyo, do, no, to, no, po, mo, yo, ro, lo, wo, ro, lo, ro, no. You got it? So as you can see, I stressed this letter, and this letter while reading. I read it as no, lo, ro. You got it? So concentrate on your tongue while you're telling all these letters. Okay? So see you again in the next episode. Keep practicing. Okay? So we are going to closely finish these letters, and once we are done with this, we are going to start. What we are going to start? We are going to start conversing in Tamil. Okay? So bye, and please subscribe and support us. Thank you.